No vector and no mRNA vaccine. UK Medicines Agency MHRA is reviewing first inactivated whole virus vaccines, the VLA 2001 from Valneva. It has been adjuvanted twice and could still be approved in 2021. So, the MHRA is reviewing another vaccine candidate against COVID-19, the VLA 2001. Valneva initially submitted an application for a rolling review process, which enables the MHRA to review all available data on the safety and efficacy of the vaccine as it becomes available rather than after the pivotal studies have been completed. The accelerated examination creates the possibility of a faster approval and market introduction of the vaccine. The phase 3 study is still running since April 2021, and the company is expecting the first results at the beginning of the fourth quarter of 2021. If these are positive, VLA 2001 could be approved this year. VLA 2001 should be storable and transportable at standard refrigerated temperatures, that means 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. They do not test it against placebo, but against AstraZeneca, and I think it took place twice at an interval of 28 days. Unlike the corona vaccines based on mRNA like Pfizer and Moderna, and vector like AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson, who are already approved and used in the EU and Great Britain, Valneva uses the whole virus of COVID as the antigen for VLA 2001. It's chemically inactivated and is therefore no longer capable of replication, while the native structure of the spike protein is retained. The inactivated vaccine is formulated with two adjuvants, alum and CpG 1018 is just for specialists. Valneva justified the choice of the adjuvant combination with the results of preclinical experiments in which consistently higher antibody levels were induced than with pure alum formulations. In addition, the adjuvant combination led to a shift in the immune response in the direction of Th1, that's a group of T helper cells that are important for protection against infections with viruses. So CpG 2018 is an adjuvant that is already contained in the FDA and EMA approved hepatitis B vaccine HEPLISAV-B and specifically targets the toll-like receptor. CpG is a dinucleotide made from cytosine and guanine. According to the Robert Koch Institute in Germany, the adjuvantation with CpG has succeeded in triggering a generally strengthened immune response to the hepatitis B vaccination in dialysis patients or in type 2 diabetics, as well as shortening the vaccination schedule from 3 to 2 vaccinations, which is particularly important and is advantageous in pandemic situations. The advantage of whole virus vaccines is that they can bring a large number of antigens and stimulate the immune system. However, as a result of inactivation, they have lost their ability to infect their host cells and to replicate, so that CD8 and T cell response does not take place. Inactivated whole virus vaccines can, however, stimulate the formation of antibodies and some other T cells. VLA 2001 is manufactured on Valneva's established ViroCell platform. They are using that for different technologies for some other vaccines in Japan, for example. And the British government has probably already used the option to buy 100 million cans by 2022 upon approval. According to its own information, Valneva has also initiated another clinical phase 3 study in order to obtain efficacy data in older people and to gain information on the effectiveness against the Delta variant. And so, the more working vaccines, the better. We need so many global vaccines globally that if it works, if it's approved, hell yeah, congratulations. I'll see you in my next video. Bis gleich.